Whoa! Open. You know what that is? That's from Grandpa Tom. You know what that is? That's a suitcase. It's a bag. You can use this to go on the airplane. Open it up. I bet you there's something inside. See the zippers? I know. Open the zippers and see it's got a handle. So you can wheel it. It's a bag. Zip it up, open it up, and see what's inside. See, you can take this when you go on the airplane. You put all your clothes. What's inside?
Mickey Mouse.
Whoa! Whoa! You want to try to open those? They sent you all sorts of stuff.
Whoa.
And a card, too.
Oh, my God.
And this one.
And this one. And then these bubble wrap things.
Whoa.
You can close it back up.
Kian, you bring that to Disneyland.
Do the zippers, remember?
Your very own suitcase.
Do the other zipper on the other side. It's over here. Over here, buddy. Do this zipper. Do it right here. This one. Sweetie.
You want to open the other packages?
That's cool. It's your R2D2 bag.
Yes, you have to push that button right there.
Show me. Push the button. Whoa. It's your very own R2D2.
Show me how you roll it around like a suitcase. Show me how you'll do it in the airport.
Or lift it up. And then show Tutu how you roll it around.
Yeah, how are we going to do it?
Now you pull it.
There you go.
He puts the handle down to push it. Something like that.
Yeah, that's good. Here. Let's bring this up, and then you go like this. See? There you go.
Push that button.
Okay. Oh, that is so cool.
Can you say,
So cool.
Kian, can you say thank you, Grandpa Tom? Say, because I'm recording it. Say thank you, Grandpa Tom and Debbie. Kian, say thank you, Grandpa Tom and Debbie. Kian, hey, look at me. Kian, look at my phone. Say thank you, Grandpa Tom and Debbie.
Thank you, Uncle Tom and Debbie. This is our 2D store.
I know. Do you want to see these other ones? It's Mickey Mouse.
Look at this present. Oh, and this one.
There you go. You got it.
It's a shop.
Whoa, it's a shirt. What kind of shirt is it? Wow, look on the front.
Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck and Voodoo Goosey.
They're playing music. Mickey Mouse is playing a guitar.
Uh-huh.
That's cool. You open those other ones?
This is a big birthday, Kian. They sent all kinds of
I know. This
presents.
is like Christmas, dude.
You help me open this present?
You got it. There you go.
You look like you need to go potty.
No.
What's that one?
Another one.
Is that a shirt? What is it?
I don't know.
What's after that soda, sweetheart?
Another Mickey Mouse.
There you go.
It is. It's a Mickey Mouse shirt. Open it up. Let's see.
Sure, very cool.
You can wear that to Disneyland when we go.
Yeah.
Like you? Stop saying that. Stop doing that. I get another one.
Whoa, what's that one?
Darwin.
Whoa, who's on it though?
Cool.
Look who's on.
Vader.
Darth Vader. That one's cool.
Stormtrooper.
And Stormtrooper. Okay, one last time. Say thank you, Grandpa Tom and Debbie.
Thank you, Uncle Tom and Debbie.
Say it's Grandpa Tom. Say,
Uncle Tom.
say thank you, Grandpa Tom and Debbie.
Thank you, Uncle Tom and Debbie.
Okay, that's good enough. Say bye-bye.